Of the middle school competition, and from what we understand, Ingomar is undefeated, so if they win this round, they will be the champions. But if they lose, we will go to yet another round. The team that's competing against them is Saginaw Arts and Sciences Academy from Michigan. Know that. Wow. Okay. My name is John Baltris. I am a chemist here at NETL, and I am the moderator.
I'm Brian Strazazar, also a chemist at NETL, and I'm going to be the scientific judge.
I'm Rich Hucko, one of the rules judges.
Bob Nolan, scorekeeper.
Donna Shaver, scorekeeper.
Trish Adkins Colian, timekeeper.
Okay, so we'll go down the line. Please say your first name, buzz in, so you check your buzzer, and tell me your favorite subject in school.
And math. Tanvi and science.
Alan Bowman, science, obviously.
Runshaker, math.
Gurumandava, math.
Allison and English. For 2 in science. John, math.
Okay, so Brian will be recognizing you. Please let him call your school name and your name before you give an answer. And please speak up when you give your answer so I can hear what it is. Does anybody have any questions before we begin? Okay, is everybody ready? All right. Okay, toss-up number 1, Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following factors that are inversely related to the strength of sea ice. 1, salinity. 2, porosity. 3, temperature.
Ingomar, Gunnar.
2 and 3.
That is incorrect.
Saginaw, Varun.
1 and 3.
Also incorrect. Toss-up 2, life science multiple choice. The Latin phrase in vitro now commonly means which of the following? W, in an artificial environment. X, in an open environment. Y, in a living organism. Z, in a dead cell.
Saginaw, Varun.
W.
That is correct. Bonus, life science short answer. Green algae are plant-like protists that can reproduce both sexually and asexually. When they reproduce sexually, they alternate between gametophyte and sporophyte generations. They can also reproduce asexually through what process?
Five seconds.
Meiosis.
That is incorrect. Toss-up 3, math, short answer. In the coordinate plane, the coordinates of P are 1, 4, and the coordinates of Q are 5, 0. What are the coordinates of the midpoint of
That's an interruption. Ingomar, Gunnar.
3, 2.
Correct. Bonus, math, short answer. A certain bacterium doubles every 30 minutes. If originally there were 100 bacteria, how many bacteria exist after 2 hours?
Okay. 200 after 30, 400 after an hour, 800, 1600. 1600.
Correct. Toss-up 4, energy, multiple choice. Which of the following statements is not true about Florida's Gulf Stream? W, it has 21,000 times the energy of Niagara Falls. X, it has the fastest and most powerful ocean currents in the world. Y, its currents are capable of generating the same amount of energy as 4 nuclear power plants. Z, it is a southward accelerating current off the east coast.
Saginaw, Tanvi.
Y.
Incorrect.
Ingomar, Gunnar.
Z.
Correct. Bonus, energy, multiple choice. For residential cooling equipment, such as ground source heat pumps, the seasonal energy efficiency ratio can be calculated. What is the typical value for a ground source heat pump with good performance? W, 8, X, 10, Y, 17, Z, 25.
8, 10, 17, 25. Heat pump. which is good.
Yeah.
So I think it's X.
It's X.
X.
It has to lean towards the higher values.
So it's Y. 17.
5 seconds.
I think so. Y.
Correct. Toss-up 5, physical science, multiple choice. In nuclear reactors, control rods are used to absorb free neutrons without undergoing fission themselves. Which of the following is a frequently used substance to make control rods? W, boron, X.
Interruption, Ingemar, Gunnar.
W.
Correct. Bonus, physical science, short answer. Arrange the following 4 elements
Okay.
in order of increasing atomic radius. 1, carbon. 2, beryllium. 3, magnesium. 4, oxygen.
Okay, that's easy.
Beryllium's
That-
4.
Yes. No, it's 4.
Four.
So it has to. It's the second biggest. So did it say from biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest? Oh my god. Okay. Let's just go biggest to smallest. Okay, so it's.
5 seconds.
I'll do this one. 3. Sorry. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 4.
That is incorrect. Toss-up 6, general science, multiple choice. The water vascular system is found in which of the following phyla? W, Echinodermata. X, Arthropoda. Y, Mollusca. Z, Lophophorata.
Ingemar, Gunnar.
Z.
Incorrect.
Saginaw, Alan.
Y.
Also incorrect. Toss-up 7, earth and space, multiple choice. What occurs to the water mass immediately surrounding the first ice crystals that form in ocean water? W, it becomes saltier. X, it becomes more stratified. Y, it becomes fresher. Z, it becomes colder.
Ingemar, Gunnar.
W.
Correct. Bonus, earth and space, short answer. Organize the following 4 snow types according to increasing insulating effect. 1, hard-packed snow. 2, extremely cold, wind-swept snow. 3, newly fallen soft snow. 4, slightly settled snow.
Okay. Yeah, I know that. Hard packed. No, not hard packed. What did you have?
I had cold, wind blown.
No, I think it's hard packed. What was 4?
5 seconds.
Slightly fallen snow.
Okay.
Or slightly settled.
Okay.
Newly fallen, slightly
Okay.
settled.
3, 2, 4, 1.
Incorrect. Toss-up 8, life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is a central mechanism for homeostasis in which the product of a metabolic or physiological pathway regulates its production by inhibiting an earlier step in its own production? W, synergistic excitation. X, positive stimulation. Y, negative feedback. Z, upregulation.
Saginaw, Varun.
Why?
Correct. Bonus, life science, short answer. By number, identify all of the following 4 statements regarding cyanobacteria that are true. They belong, or 1, they belong to the kingdom Protista. 2, they are photosynthetic. 3, they were the first organisms to produce oxygen. 4, they are found in both freshwater and marine environments.
No, 2 and 4. You guys say all of them that are true? Yeah. Okay, 2 and 3.
One is.
Oh, and are they multicellular? No, they're not.
5 seconds.
2 and 3.
That is incorrect. Toss-up 9, math, short answer. If 2 standard dice are rolled and 2 coins are flipped, how many equally likely outcomes are there in the sample space?
Ingemar, Gunnar.
144.
Correct. Bonus, math, short answer. Solve the following equation for x over the real numbers. X squared plus 8x equals 4.
I don't think there's a solution to this thing.
X plus P is equal.
Yeah, okay. I don't see this being a solution. 16 means you get it. No, no.
5 seconds.
X.
Guys.
I don't think it's a solution.
No solution?
Incorrect. Toss-up 10, energy, short answer. When lightning strikes, what type of energy in the atmosphere is transformed into thermal energy, light, and sound?
Saginaw Varun.
Electrical?
Incorrect.
Ingomar Ratu.
Kinetic?
Incorrect. Toss-up 11, physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following phases of matter cannot be found in a fluorescent light that is powered on? W, solid. X, liquid. Y, gas. Z, plasma.
Saginaw Allen.
W.
Incorrect.
Ingomar Ratu.
X?
Correct. Bonus, physical science, short answer. A car accelerates constantly from 0 meters per second to 90 meters per second in 12 seconds. What is the average acceleration in meters per second squared to two significant figures?
Okay. Yeah, 90 over 12. So what I see is it is 7.5. I have 10.5 down.
Oh, you put it in decimal?
Yeah, I think so. Well,
5
Oh, yeah,
seconds.
30. Okay.
30 over 4 is what
Okay.
I'm saying.
7.5.
Correct. Toss-up 12, general science, multiple choice. Which of the following is a strong acid? W, hydrosulfuric acid. X, acetic acid. Y, phosphoric acid. Z, sulfuric acid.
Ingomar Guna.
Z.
Correct. Bonus, general science, short answer. Providing your answer to the nearest hundredth, what is the force in newtons needed to vertically lift a 5.0 kilogram bowling ball at a constant speed to a height of 0.76 meters?
I don't know, guys. It's just like, well, I don't know. Okay. I have 3.8 down. 3.8?
1 second.
A little bit fast.
Yeah,
5 seconds.
3.8?
3.8.
3.8.
That is incorrect. That's the half. Okay, toss-up 13, Earth and space, short answer. Mount Fuji is an active example of what type of volcano?
Ingomar Guna.
Stratovolcano.
Correct. Bonus, Earth and space, multiple choice. Meteor showers are caused by periodic comets. These comets are periodic for which of the following reasons?
Okay.
W, they are being ejected by the same source. X, areas of Earth's orbit are more comet dense than others. Y, they orbit the sun in elliptical paths. Z, they occur when Earth and Jupiter are on opposite sides of the sun.
I think it's Y.
I think it's Y. Because Y is true. Double? No, I don't think it's W or X.
Y.
I think Y.
It's not Z because it's
Wait, what was
I
it?
think it's Z was about, I don't know, it was a W or something.
5 seconds.
It's Y.
Y.
Correct. Toss-up 14, life science, multiple choice. Which of the following terms best describes the inheritance of A and B antigen genes in human blood? W, codominance.
So that's an interrupt. Ingomar Ratu.
W?
Correct. Bonus, life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not a baleen whale? W, brides. X, minke. Y, pilot. Z, gray.
Okay, so baleen whales, they have that like,
Okay, let me just put this way. I know it's not Y.
it's not Y. What about Minky?
What was?
It might be Minky. It's not, I don't think it's Y. I don't think so, gray. I don't think it's Y. It's not, I think it might be X. I think
5
it's
seconds.
I think it's X. Good try X. X.
X.
Incorrect. Toss-up 15, general science, multiple choice. Some colleagues decide to play a prank on you. They create a mixture of two elements, then tell you they have discovered a new element. They show you that this element has properties of both metals and nonmetals. Over time, however, it simply shows the properties of metals. Which of the following properties would the new element lose over time? W, brittleness. X, ability to conduct heat. Y, magnetic attraction. Z, shine.
Ingomar Guna.
Y.
Incorrect.
Saginaw Allen.
W.
Correct. Bonus, general science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not a measure of primary productivity? W, oxygen production. X, oxygen consumption. Y, glucose production. Z, carbon dioxide consumption.
Oxygen consumption. Yes. Okay.
X.
Correct. Toss-up, 16, math, short answer. If 3 minus 4i is a root of a quadratic equation with real coefficients, what must be the other root?
Ingemar, Gunnar.
3 plus 4i.
Correct. Bonus, math, short answer. How many positive divisors does 400 have?
Positive divisors. 4 and 100.
1, 2,
1, 2,
25.
20?
Yeah, 20 goes in. 20, 40, 22,
Oh, God, I didn't count.
400,
5 seconds.
8,
I don't know. Huh?
8,
Let's just say
20.
Time.
20.
Incorrect. Toss-up, 17, physical science, multiple choice. You manufacture a chemical called bolinium that is a blue liquid at room temperature. You vigorously mix the bolinium with some yellow oil and clear water. Over time, 2 layers separate out, a green layer on top and a clear layer on the bottom. Which of the following conclusions about this experiment is most correct? W, bolinium is less dense than water. X, bolinium is more dense than water. Y, bolinium is less dense than water and approximately as dense as oil. Z, bolinium is approximately as dense as oil.
Saginaw, Varun.
Z.
Incorrect.
Ingemar, Ratu.
Y,
Correct. Bonus, physical science, short answer. A car starts from rest and proceeds to travel 3.6 kilometers in 1 minute while steadily speeding up. What, respectively, was the car's acceleration in meters per second squared and final speed in meters per second for this trip?
Oh, God.
oh, this is hard.
Yeah. 1/2 mass times what? No. Oh, you want to say? I don't know, because I can't solve this.
5 seconds. Time.
Meters per second.
Toss-up, 18, general science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not needed to produce an electromagnet? W, a current source. X, a conductive material. Y, a magnetic core. Z, a current sink.
Ingemar, Gunnar.
Y.
Correct. Bonus, general science, short answer. Invertebrates, what major bone houses the pituitary gland?
Oh, God. Anybody know?
Pituitary gland is in the brain.
It's in the brain.
So
Skull.
it'd be the skull. But what's the?
No, it asked for organ, didn't it?
No.
No, that's for the bone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
It's
did.
attached. Maybe it's attached. Is it attached?
5
It's in the
seconds.
brain. It's not
It's
attached to
in
the
the
bone.
brain. It's in the brain.
Skull.
Incorrect. Toss-up, 19, life science, short answer. If you have both a male and female alien with genotypes big D, and big D, little d, what is the % chance that any baby aliens they have will be of the big D, little d?
It's an interrupt, Saginaw, Varun.
25%.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the other. Well,
It's also an interrupt, Ingemar, Ratu.
50%.
correct. Bonus, life science, short answer. The smallest of the marine mammals belongs to the order Carnivora. What is the common name for this animal?
Carnivora. The smallest marine animal? Wait, shouldn't. Okay.
Carnivore means meat. So it has to be, like, is it a piranha?
No.
No. What's the
It's asking for like micros.
Smallest marine animal, carnivora.
5 seconds.
piranha?
Yeah.
Jellyfish.
Piranha.
Incorrect. Toss-up, 20, Earth and space, multiple choice. Gravity assist is a great way to save money on spacecraft fuel. Which of the following is one reason NASA might not be able to use it to send a spacecraft to Neptune? W, the planets are rarely lined up in the right places.
It's an interrupt, Ingemar, Gunnar.
W.
Correct. Bonus, Earth and space, multiple choice. A geomagnetic storm adds heat to a part of Earth's atmosphere called the thermosphere. As the atmosphere rises, the density in low Earth orbit increases. Which of the following might this subsequently increase on a satellite? W, radiation. X, auroral light. Y, drag, Z, conductivity interference. Interference.
Interference.
X is what about the
No, no, no,
conductivity?
no.
What about
It would have to be like, no, I think it's conductivity.
Yeah, it might be
Z,
conductivity.
it might be. No, yeah, okay. Wait, what?
5 seconds.
Okay. Z.
Incorrect. Toss-up 21, math, multiple choice. If Q lies between 1 and 2, which of the following is the smallest? W, -1 divided by Q, X, -Q squared, Y, -Q, Z, -square root of Q.
Ingemar Gunnar.
X.
Correct. Bonus, math short answer. Find all points of intersection of the graphs of the two equations, x squared plus y squared equals 20, and x minus y equals 2.
Okay. Oh, this is a complex equation. So square the entire thing. X squared is 2xy plus y squared equals 4. Subtract 4xy.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Time.
Toss-up 22, energy multiple choice. Theoretically, an absolute maximum of how many ATP molecules can be produced from the complete oxidation of one glucose molecule through aerobic respiration?
That's an interrupt. Ingemar Gunnar.
2.
Incorrect. Repeat for the other team. Theoretically, an absolute maximum of how many ATP molecules can be produced from the complete oxidation of one glucose molecule through aerobic respiration. W, 33, X, 38, Y, 43, Z, 48.
Saginaw Varun.
38.
Correct. Bonus, energy multiple choice. Newton's law of cooling states that which of the following is true? W, the rate at which the temperature of an object changes can be determined if the difference between the temperature of the body and the ambient temperature is known. X, a wire heats up whenever current passes through it. Y, all molecular movement ceases at -100 degrees Celsius. Z, a circuit cools down as long as the wires attached to it have a specific number of turns.
W.
That is correct. And that is the end of the match. The final score is Ingemar 104 and Saginaw 40. Congratulations, Ingemar.